told her she has a way of turning sunshine into rain. I've got on that shirt she hates, I just know that face she'll make. Even though it hurts, she's my favorite pain. She never drives her car, but she drives me crazy. She went out of gas and somehow I'm to blame. I'll take her out and drop her off on the outskirts of our town. I'd leave a trail of roses and leave back home. She'll pick a fight for no good reason. She knows I'll never leave. I love her half to death, but she's killing me. My friends, they say they like her, but I know behind my back they all think the same things that I do. She spends her daddy's credit card and says that I'm the one who's lazy. She's like a dream and a nightmare coming true. I'll take her out and drop her off on the outskirts of our town. I'd leave a trail of roses and leave back home. She'll pick a fight for no good reason. She knows I'll never leave. I love her half to death, but she's killing me. And I wouldn't have it any other way. She can change her clothes, she can change her hair, but she'll always be the same. So I went out and bought her roses. She complained about the thorns. I caught her smiling, and that's what I do it for. I'll take her out and drop her off on the outskirts of our town. I'd leave a trail of roses and leave back home. She'll pick a fight for no good reason. She knows I'll never leave. I love her half to death. Oh yeah, I love her half to death. I'll take her out and drop her off on the outskirts of our town. I'd leave a trail of roses and leave back home. She'll pick a fight for no good reason. She knows I'll never leave. I love her half to death, but she's killing me.
Wait.
She's killing me. Oh.
What are you doing?